Good morning, students. Today, we will talk about words that begins with letter T. Letter T. But first, we will find words that starts with letter T. You wanna come and join me? Great! Let's go! Trees. Trees. Toys. Toys. Teacher. Teacher. Table. Teacher Bobby.
Table. Table.
Table.
Yes.
Tall. Tall. Now that we have gathered a lot of words starting with letter T, it's now time for us to learn. But first, let's watch this video.
Timmy and Tina are turtles. 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 Timmy and Tina are turtles. 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 Timmy and Tina are talkative turtles. Talkative turtles. Talkative turtles. Timmy and Tina are talkative turtles. Talkative turtles. Talkative turtles. Timmy and Tina are turtles. 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 Timmy and Tina are turtles. 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 Timmy and Tina are talented turtles. Talented turtles. Talented turtles. Timmy and Tina are talented turtles. Talented turtles. Talented turtles. Timmy and Tina are turtles. 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 Timmy and Tina are turtles. 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 Timmy and Tina are tired turtles. Tired turtles. Tired turtles. Timmy and Tina are tired turtles. Tired turtles. Tired turtles. Timmy and Tina are tired turtles. Tired turtles. Tired turtles. Timmy and Tina are tired.
Let us now learn the beginning sound, letter T. T.
The T sound. T. Tiger. T. T sounds T as in tiger. Hey, look at the teeth of the tiger. T in 10 sounds T. I have 10 fingers. Look at this word, taxi. The letter T in taxi makes the T sound. How to make the sound? First, close your mouth by putting the tip of your tongue on the front roof of your mouth. Next, pull it back to let out a puff of air to make the T sound, as in tiger. Try again. This time, put your hand on your throat. It did not move or vibrate. Let us look at some more words that begin with the letter T and make the T sound, as in tiger. Click on the letter that make the T sound. Truck. Click on the letter that make the T sound. Train. Click on the letter that make the T sound. Toy.
Now that we have learned the beginning sound, letter T, it's time for us to do our activity. Activity time! For your activity, you need to answer this worksheet and you're going to submit it to me online. I hope you learned something new today. See you! Bye-bye!